Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn a photo into a mural like we did for this episode of Cityline. Stick through to the end to learn how to calculate the DPI or dots per square inch so you get a high resolution, crisp and clear photo wallpaper mural. We'll share some installation tips too. But first, here are the 4 best ways to find pictures to make a photographic wall mural. Number 1, an old photo negative. The St. Catharines Museum received loads of old photo negatives, some from as far back as World War II. They chose their favorites, scanned them in at high resolution, had a graphic designer touch up the damage, and we printed the large photo murals for their latest gallery exhibit. Number 2, use your own photo. Today's digital cameras take very high quality photos. Just remember to adjust your camera settings to the highest resolution possible with the lowest compression. Use a tripod so your camera doesn't move, and don't use the zoom function. Both cause a blurry mural. Number 3, work with a photographer. Whether you'd like to make a family photo wall mural or capture something meaningful to you, like this vintage airplane was to a pilot we worked with, there's a specialized photographer out there to help. For an episode of Cityline, celebrity designer Jackie Glass used a photo taken by her professional photographer, and we turned it into a picture mural. Here's what she has to say about the project.
This is a recent project that I did, and we have turned it into a mural for the purpose of our demo, and it was done by About Murals, and I think they did a really great job. I feel like I'm actually in that kitchen space again.
Very realistic looking.
Yes.
It's gorgeous, actually.
And number 4, buy a photo from a stock image website. There are tons of websites out there that sell the rights to use their image. The one I prefer is istock.com because they have amazing filters. Refine your search results by orientation. If you have a wide wall, select horizontal orientation. And if you have a narrow wall, select a vertical orientation. Then choose an extra large image size so you get a crisp, clear photo mural. Photos with more texture, like a cloudy sky, lots of trees, or choppy water, print out better in a photo mural than a clear sky and glassy water. Select photos that are a minimum of 6,000 pixels wide by 4,000 pixels high, but the larger the better. Once you narrow your photo selection down, feel free to email us a link to the images you like, and we'll make sure they're high enough quality to print before you buy the image. So, what resolution should your image be to print a mural from a photo? Well, it depends on the size of your wall. At a very minimum, we require 25 DPI or dots per inch, so your photo wall mural looks clear. Here's a handy calculation to give you a better idea. If you have a photo that is 6,000 pixels wide and a wall that is 144 inches wide, simply calculate 6,000 divided by 144, which gives you 41.7 DPI or dots per inch. As long as your photo is big enough, we can print it to fit any wall size, even an extra large wall. And if your photo isn't big enough, you can use a bunch to create a photo collage mural like we did for this restaurant. We accept photos that are a JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PDF. What surfaces can you wallpaper? Our custom photo wallpaper murals are rated for commercial use, so they can go on any business wall. They're washable and scuff-proof. But you can use them in a baby's nursery since they're non-toxic, as well as a bathroom or any high humidity room. And since they're removable, they're even renter-friendly. So really, you can put them anywhere. How much does custom wallpaper cost? Not as much as you think. When you visit our website, you can either choose a popular size from the drop-down menu or create a custom size. Just add the width and height of your walls in inches and you'll find your price. I'll add a link to our website in the description below. Our custom photo wallpaper murals are really easy to hang. You can order it in 18-inch pre-pasted wallpaper panels, that's best for DIYers, or 36-inch wide width wallpaper, that's for more experienced wallpaper users. We made a tutorial for both types to walk you through the process, step by step. If you were going to create a wall mural from a photo, what would you print? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.